Good morning, everybody. Hope you are doing well. So my question to you here is, how many of you are using ChatGPT or Copilot or one of the AI chat engines? How many of you are using it? And I bring this up because this is going to make a valid point, is the questions that we ask, the information that we put into there. I have made videos about telling people be careful of what you put in there, especially any financial information, company information, and things like that. And I tell you that because as you feed into the system, if you're inputting information, that means the output's got to be coming from somewhere or going to somewhere. And that's the point, that you have to really understand that you have to practice data and cybersecurity safeguards and protocols personally in your personal life as well as in the work life. And the output of that and who controls the information is based on who owns and operates the data centers that host that particular type of information. Now, anything, of course, we put online, we know eventually you start getting calls and text messages from marketers and advertisers who will market specific products and things to you. But it's not all by coincidence, because it's what we feed into the systems. But if you ever take the time to look at the terms and conditions and things that are aligned within those specific applications, you will see that you have actually agreed to have the information basically viewed by third, fourth parties or whatever. Now, where do you go from here? For example, if you are using them and you're, say, crafting an email, for example, you want to make sure to use a pseudonym or fake name or fake information. Never put your real address in there, or never put, of course, hopefully nobody's putting their social security numbers in there or actual banking information. But you put examples in there so that you can get the output that you want, and then you move accordingly on copying that information and then drafting it however the way that you want. But you have to be very, very careful of what you feed into the system, because this is all new and everybody is using it. But what will happen with the data and information 4 to 5 years from now? That's the scary thing that we definitely have to find out. But just be careful out there. Stay away from scams, of course. Be careful what you put into these AI platforms. And keep in mind, check out that video that I did with the Taco Bell thing. You'll be really surprised by how AI is integrated to that.